Let us continue with reverse calculation problems. Here's the one on surface area of rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has a square base with sides of 5 cm each and surface area of 170 cm square. Find the height of this rectangular prism. Okay, let's try to draw one and then we'll figure out the answer, right? So let's say this is my square base. So all sides are equal, and let's say these sides are 5 each, right? So what I'll do is, I know base should be right at the bottom, but I'll prefer to bring it from top to bottom, right? Like this kind of. So let me make a rectangular or rather square prism this time, right? Since the base is square for us, right? So that is our prism. So we can draw the perpendicular dotted lines. Those will not be seen from the front. And that looks kind of our prism, right? So let's write down what is given to us. We are given a square base with sides of 5 cm each. So that is the base. This is 5 and this is 5, and all dimensions are in centimeters. And we are given the surface area. So we know surface area is equals to 170 centimeters square. And what we need to find is height. Of course, yes, that is unknown. So what is the height and how can we find it? Now, as you know, surface area means all the surfaces. A rectangular prism has 6 surfaces. So that is your top and this is the bottom, right? Now in this particular case, top and bottom area is 5 times 5 and 5 times 5, right? So it is, so let's say top area, so area of top plus area of bottom is 5 times 5 plus 5 times 5, correct? That is 25 plus 25, and that gives us 50, and the units are of course centimeter square. So we got these two sides. Now how about these, which is front and back and the two sides? The area of these 4 sides is 5 times height. This is also 5 times height. So all this is height, right? And since all the sides are 5 for us, so these are all 4 sides is 5 times height. So we can say 4 sides. So area of 4 sides is equals to 4 times 5 times height, right? 5h. I can write 4 times 5h or 5 times height. That makes it 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times height centimeter square. So that is complete surface area. So surface area is combination of these two, right? So when we add these two, right, so we get surface area of 6 surfaces. 2 and 4, 6 surfaces. That is 6 surfaces, right? Right. So we can write down here that total surface area is equals to 50 plus 20 times h. And it is given to us as equal to 170 centimeters square. Correct? That is what is given to us. Now from here, what do we need to find? We need to find the height. So that should not be difficult. Let's take away 50 first from each side. So minus 50, what do we get? So we get 170 minus 50 is 120, right? So 120 is equal to 20h, right? 20h. So when we do minus 50 both sides, it becomes 0 here and you're left with 20h. So you get 20 times height is 120. So what is height? Now it is easy, right? So height is equals to, you'll divide by 20 both sides, right? Divide by 20, right? So 0, 0 cancels, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So that's our answer, correct? So we get our answer, that is 6. So we can say, well, answer is that the height of this prism is equals to 6 centimeter. Do you see that? I hope you understand how we did the question, right? So let's go through it once again. The question was, that rectangular prism has a square base. So we have drawn the square base, which is 5 centimeters each side, and total surface area is 170 centimeters square. Surface area means area of top and bottom, front and back, and the sides. So there are 6 faces for a rectangular prism. And as we know from here, top and bottom has same area. Area is 25 each. So we just combine 25, 25 got 50 centimeters square. So that is the area of top and bottom, the square parts. Now we have these 4 rectangles and each area is 5 times h. Since there are 4 of them, we multiplied them by 4 and got 20 times h. Now total surface area is combination of 6 surfaces, 2 there and 4 here. And when we add, we get 50 plus 20h, right? 50 from here, right? Of top and bottom and sides. So we get surface area as 50 plus 20h and it's given to us as 170 centimeters square. Now it is question of getting h from this equation. Best way is first take away 50. When we take away 50, we are left with 20h. Now to isolate height h, what should we do? We should divide by 20 both sides, right? And then we get 6 as our answer, correct? So the height should be 6 centimeter. Now what you can do is, you can write height equals to 6, find the surface area and check whether your answer is right or not. I hope that helps. So I hope you enjoyed this series of reverse calculation and finding the dimensions of rectangular prism. This is a kind of approach which is a must for competitive exams, and I hope it helps you. All the best. Thank you.